So today's review is going to be about the 3-in-1 HL122 vacuum cleaner from Saker. I'm impressed by the size. I'm from the 70s and 80s, so this kind of reminds me of a blow dryer. It vacuums and it does much more. I will show you. So the wife's going to be testing the vac, 3-in-1 vac, on her automobile carpet. Let's go take a look. She's going to start out with the low speed and then gradually go up to the high speed. We switched over the interchangeable ends, and now we're using the one for the tight spots. All the cleaning.
All the creases from the floor mat.
Yep. Does a pretty good job.
It does better than a shop vac, and it's so light and easy to handle.
Yeah, plus, it's like a hairdryer. You should be used to that. I used to be back in the 80s. Okay, another successful Saker product. I gotta recommend. Let me show you how much that thing holds. Easy to empty
Ugh.
and clean out.
Plus all that down in there.
Yep. And filter's mostly clean.
You can rinse these underwater.
Yeah, you can rinse the stainless ones underwater. The
And
paper
this-
ones you cannot.
These parts the same. They're water washable.
Water washable. So now we'll show you some attachments for it. It's got blower attachments. So you blow up like beach balls, air mattresses, like a little blow up boat.
Backwards.
So take it off like that. The dust containment. And that's the suction. This is the blowout attachments where they hook. And
This one?
yeah, we'll do that one for smaller stuff.
I've never touched this thing either, so it's
Really?
pretty easy to put together.
Cool. So there's that. Something for the smaller blow up stuff.
Hold on,
And then if you
let me
want to.
Pretty hard.
Oh yeah.
It's really loud.
So try this, honey. This is for like I believe air mattresses and stuff like that. Or you can just blow out your car. There's that. Another win for Saker. Thumbs up. Oh yeah, finished product carpet. You seen what it was like before. She cleaned her up. Keep them coming, Saker. A lot of good products at work.